Stop talking. Hold the silence. Watch who panics first when you refuse pursuit.
In any negotiation, the one who needs less becomes gravity. The room bends.
Neediness is loud even when whispered. It leaks through timing, tone, and over-explaining.
This is not manipulation. It is self-respect with structure. Your presence stops being discounted.
5 mechanisms build that structure: scarcity, mystery, posture, friction, and the hidden foundation.
First, understand desire. The harder you want it, the weaker your position becomes.
When you text first, then double text, you prove you cannot sit with uncertainty.
Scarcity raises value because access feels earned. It does not feel endlessly available.
Stop flooding the market with yourself. Offer fewer bids. Make each bid final.
Give one clear offer, then close your mouth. Silence forces truth to surface fast.
People fill gaps to soothe anxiety. They often donate concessions just to feel safe.
Set response windows, not instant replies. Your priorities should show in your rhythm.
If someone wants your attention, let them meet your schedule, not your nervous system.
In business, calm delay reads as competence. Frantic speed reads as hunger.
Keep approvals rare. Praise selectively. Let results carry your name into rooms.
A second mechanism, deliberate incompleteness. Your brain hates open loops. It hunts closure.
That is why unfinished songs haunt you. Your mind returns, trying to complete patterns.
Reveal direction, not destination. Give a fragment. Then step away like it is normal.
When asked what you are building, say it is forming. You will share when tested.
Then pivot smoothly. Ask them a question. Let curiosity pull instead of need.
Mystery is not lying. It is editing. You choose what earns disclosure and when.
Stop narrating motives. Explanations become handles for people who prefer control.
Say less about plans. Deliver outcomes. Let questions chase you for once.
Third mechanism, posture. Begging is a submission signal dressed up as politeness.
Sorry to bother you trains others to treat you like an interruption, not a peer.
Ask once. Ask clearly. Then stop. Repetition advertises fear more than interest.
Replace softeners with certainty, Thursday or Friday. Then let them choose one.
Hold shoulders open. Slow your breath. Let your voice land heavy and steady.
Micro example. Request the raise. State the numbers. Then sit still and wait.
If they stall, ask for a decision date, not comfort. Then move forward calmly.
Fourth mechanism, calculated friction. Easy access makes you disposable, even to friends.
What costs effort gets respected. What costs nothing gets used, then forgotten later.
Stop saying yes mid-sentence. Let requests finish. Then decide with a full mind.
Create standards for meetings, favors, and calls. Your time is not public property.
Micro example. A flaky client wants last-minute access. Offer 2 firm options only.
Do not reshuffle your week. Keep it clean. That boundary teaches faster than speeches.
Friction is not a game. It proves you are building a life detours cannot hijack.
When your yes is harder to get, it becomes memorable. People show up prepared.
Leave before you are drained. End your presence on strength. End it on control.
Now the fifth mechanism, the one everyone avoids. It is the end of self-betrayal.
You can perform scarcity. If you feel unworthy, your body will betray the act.
Eyes start. Voice rises. You explain your pause. Frame collapses within seconds.
The real leak is private compromise. Saying yes when your gut says no. Again.
Each compromise fractures self-trust. That fracture becomes anxious over-talking under pressure.
Do a brutal audit. List moments you abandoned standards just to keep peace.
Not their betrayals, yours. That pattern is where your power has been bleeding.
Micro example. You stayed in a shrinking job for approval. Set an exit plan.
Another example. You tolerate disrespect in a friend group, then wonder why confidence thins.
Keep one difficult promise to yourself. Your presence changes without effort. People notice.
You stop seeking permission to exist. Others feel your internal authority when you enter.
Now connect the mechanisms. Scarcity without self-trust becomes a stunt for attention.
Mystery without self-respect becomes hiding. Hiding slowly turns into shame over time.
Posture without standards becomes theater. Theater breaks when real pressure arrives.
Standards without compassion become rigidity. Keep ethics. Keep clarity. Keep calm.
Execution starts small. Stop apologizing for reasonable requests. Stop pleading for attention.
Speak as if you can walk away. Mentally, you can. Even when it hurts.
In romance, do not chase reassurance. Name the boundary. Let actions answer you.
In work, do not beg for inclusion. Contribute sharply. Leave before resentment grows.
Silence is not emptiness. It is a test of who tolerates uncertainty under stress.
Train that tolerance. Sit with unread messages. Breathe slowly. Do not rescue tension.
Your value rises when you stop proving it to persistent misunderstanders. Let them miss it.
Let them wonder for a moment. Let them adjust to your new pace.
Let them earn the next layer of you. Consistency, respect, follow through, time.
Make warmth selective, not absent. Contrast creates impact. Impact creates memory.
Use fewer words. Use better words. Keep your eyes still when challenged.
Micro example. Someone throws a cheap joke at you.
That pause is a boundary. Boundaries often speak louder than arguments in public.
If disrespect continues, exit calmly. Do not announce the lesson. Do not warn.
You are not punishing them. You are protecting standards. You are protecting your system.
People respect what you protect. Protection signals value, self-possession, self-command.
Stop trading dignity for speed. Urgency is often a trap set by insecure leaders.
Stop trading dignity for approval. Approval vanishes. Self-respect compounds over years.
Your attention is your rarest resource. Treat it like fire, not spare change.
Batch your replies. Limit access. Let your life have gates, not revolving doors.
Micro example. A friend calls at midnight repeatedly. Answer once.
then set a rule.
Consistency creates safety. It disappoints people who fed on your flexibility. Let it.
Expect pushback. That is the old system resisting. It is not proof you are cruel.
When you hold the line, the right people relax. The wrong people reveal themselves.
Do not chase those who reveal themselves. Let them walk. Reclaim space in peace.
Replace performance with identity. Build routines that prove you keep your word daily.
Sleep, training, craft, quiet time. These are the roots of non-neediness.
With roots, scarcity becomes natural, not forced. Your time simply has better uses.
With roots, mystery becomes depth, not secrecy. You speak only when it matters.
With roots, posture becomes peace, not ego. You do not need domination to feel safe.
With roots, friction becomes standards, not games. You protect quality and fairness daily.
Now your power stops needing maintenance. It is structural. It is not situational.
Quiet test. Can you hold a boundary without turning it into a debate for approval?
Can you hear rejection without rushing to fix it? Explain it. Bribe it away.
Treat your calm as a weapon you never swing. It wins by existing in the room.
Choose discomfort over self-betrayal. Comfort can be the price of your spine.
When the urge to chase rises, label it. Breathe. Return to standards immediately.
Standards are not walls. They are doors with locks. You choose key holders carefully.
Do this long enough, and your silence becomes expensive. It is backed by action.
One last micro example. Send one message, then stop. Let silence do the work.
Your challenge is simple. 7 days with no chasing, no over-explaining, no begging.
Ask once. State terms. Then wait. Let silence sort the serious from the hungry.
If you fail, do not punish yourself. Notice the trigger. Adjust. Recommit quietly.
At weakest end, review who leaned in when you leaned back and who vanished.
Keep the ones who returned with intent. Release the rest. No speeches, no bargaining.
That is the proof. Be mysterious. Be powerful. Never beg for what you can build.